Hello, hi everyone. Hope you're doing well and good. You might be wondering what this video is all about. So I had this dream. I had this dream of building $1 million business. So I thought, why not document the entire journey? I know it sounds crazy, but I'll be documenting the entire journey of me building $1 million business. So that's what the vlog is all about. So I'll be talking about the meetings that I'm taking, the people that I'm meeting each and every day, the books that I'm reading, the content which I'm consuming to make the dream happen, to make the dream comes into reality. So I believe this particular documentation will be a blueprint, will serve as a blueprint for many youngsters, for many budding entrepreneurs who want to build their business of their own. So I believe this video will be a useful blog for them, useful content for them. I hope you all enjoy this. Please make sure to subscribe this to my channel so that you will get regular updates from my channel. So I would like to start. So if you are starting from scratch, if you are starting from scratch, and if you want to build some sources of income, I would suggest you to start sales. To give a little more context of who I am. My name is Nitin Alexander. So my background is from sales, marketing and branding. I worked with different people with in different industries. I worked in e-commerce industry, I worked in fitness industry, I worked in FMCG industry, media industry, food and beverage industry, sports industry. I worked in multiple industries, so which helped me to gain an extensive knowledge about my industry, my marketing industry, and business industry. And so I believe this will be a useful content for people who are starting from scratch, who want to start something of their own. So I would like to start by talking about what happened in the last week. So last week, I would say it's an amazing week. So it's more of like an ideation week. So I've been working on a couple of business ideas, and I've been thinking about how to execute on it. And first, I spoke to one of my mentors. His name is Mr. Gauri Shankar. He is the founder of Meritlic Design. I would add his link. I would add his Instagram page link in the description below. Please do check it out. His Instagram page. He is a civil contractor. He runs a firm called as Meritlic Design. He's one of my school senior and is one of my mentor. So he gave me a couple of business advices. And followed by so when you're starting out, like you have to hustle and grind each and every day. You have to talk to a lot of people, because it's more of success is more of like a numbers game. The more you talk to number of people, the more number of opportunities will open up. So the first thing that I did is I spoke to a lot of people. I texted a lot of people asking for opportunities, asking if there is any value that I can provide to them. And one of the people that I spoke to, her name is Mahi Mohan. She is the founder of a brand called as Local. So it's a food subscription brand. It's a healthy food subscription brand. So they supply healthy foods, healthy fruits, fruit bowls, salads, and everything at your doorstep. So that's something they are doing. So I spoke to her asking if there is any opportunity to work with her to do sales for a brand. So that is one of the first things that I did. And followed by, I also spoke to an CEO and investor. His name is Mr. Hema Chandran. He is the CEO of a brand called as Brand Avatar. Not only is a CEO, he is also an investor. He is an angel investor. He is part of a club called as Chennai Angel Investors Club. So where they support upcoming entrepreneurs if your idea is good. If you have a valid business idea and if you believe in your business, definitely you can pitch your ideas to them. They will help you out by giving you investments, by giving you capital, by giving you contacts, and they will help you to scale your business. So that is one of the main core principle of that particular community. So I spoke to him. I spoke if there is any opportunity that I can do for him, any value that I can do for him and everything. And also worked on a couple of business ideas, business concepts, business concept. So I sent him a mail. I sent him a mail with all those details. What are the things that can be done that have been running in my mind. I put it on a mail and I shared it across to him. And he saw that mail and he was very intrigued by that ideas. So he called me to his office. So I went to his office and I pitched about the idea, pitched about the concept, which I thought will bring value to not only to budding entrepreneurs but also to many people. That particular concept will bring value to many people. So I pitched him. He was very intrigued. So he was very intrigued by the concept and by the idea. So he gave me to gave me a permission to kickstart the idea. So currently it's in the ideation process. So in the following week it will go to the execution process. Once it goes to the execution process, I will do a video about it and I'll explain it about the concept and idea which we have been working on. So I'll also put a link of the. He's also having a YouTube channel called as Avatar Live, where they produce a ton of business content, ton of business shows, and one of the most favorite business content that I've been witnessing and that I've been fond of is a show called as Business Aratai. So this show is mainly where the CEO and investor Mr. Hemachandran and Mr. Sureka Sundar, they both are into business field, and they have combinedly more than 22 decades of experience in this particular business field, and they talk about how to validate a business idea, how to talk to an investor, how to pitch your business idea, how to get investors capital. So lot of things, lot of value added content is available. So I will also put a link of that particular video in the description below. You can check it out. So that's one of the interesting things that happened in the last week. So one of the main thing in entrepreneur life is hustle, grinding. You have to hustle all day. You have to speak to a lot of people. You have to provide them value. So that's one of the most important aspect in entrepreneur journey. And so that's one of the important things that have happened. And I also read a couple of books during those times. So I read a book called as The Habit of Winning, and also read a book called as This is Marketing by Seth Godin. You definitely, if you're an upcoming marketer or if you're a businessman, you're running a business, definitely you can check it out, those couple of books. Lot of interesting facts and a lot of interesting examples have been mentioned in this particular books. And if you need some sort of inspiration or motivation in your life, definitely I would suggest you to read this book called as The Habit of Winning. It's the book is full of inspiring stories of lot of inspiring people, which will help you get started, which will help you inspired in your life, which will give you some sort of motivation, inspiration to get you started. And the content which I consumed are like, I watched Shark Tank shows. I watched more than 10 to 15 episodes of Shark Tank, followed by I watched a show called as Impact Theory. It's available on YouTube channel. The show is run by an entrepreneur called as Tom Bilyeu. He built a $1 billion business. His brand is called as Quest Nutrition. So he runs a show called as Impact Theory, where he brings guests from different walks of life, different industries, where they share their knowledge about their industry. And I believe it will be a value-packed content for you guys as well, for all your people. So definitely you can watch that show. I will also put a link of those particular videos which I watched in the below description. Do check it out. And so yes, so these are the things that I've done in the last week. So I will also put a vlog on the coming weeks on what are the things that I've been doing and what are the things that I'm up to. So please do check it out, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And most of the important thing, yes, I said in entrepreneur life, hustle is very important. Each and every day you have to grind, each and every day you have to hustle, but not at the cost of your mental health. Please do take care of your mental health. That is more important. And please do spend time with your family and friends and with the loved ones. Nothing is more important than taking care of your loved ones and spending time with them. So please do spend time with them. So that's one of the things that I would say and finish this video with all about. Thank you so much for spending your time and watching this video. Hope it brings value to all those people. If you like this video, please do share it to your friends. I believe it will bring a lot of value. And if you need any help with any sort of connections or people that I mentioned in this video, please do let me know. I'll definitely give you the contact of those people. And yes, thank you so much guys. Take care.